we have an example over here. This is PancakeSwap. This is a website, decentralized application, Web3 application where you connect with your MetaMask wallet to the website. If you are a holder of Bored Ape Yacht Club or other NFTs, you are probably using a MetaMask wallet or a similar wallet. For example, if you're on Solana, you're probably using a Phantom wallet. The thing with this wallet is that it lets you interact using your web browser. It lets you connect to different blockchains and send transaction to smart contracts. For example, here there is the swap function. I can swap BNB token for Cake token. I can click here the swap button. This is the exact same website that the victims browsed to mint their NFT, their land of the Bored Ape Yacht Club official land sale, but it's just a different example. So they probably clicked mint NFT, and I can click here swap, and I can click here confirm swap, and now there is a prompt of my MetaMask wallet that basically asks me to confirm a transaction and sign a transaction from my personal wallet to some kind of smart contract. I'm calling a function in a smart contract, and this is exactly what happened to the victim. It's basically they had a button, they clicked it, and they had a MetaMask prompt. Now, what they did is basically they blindly, they didn't know what's the issue, so they blindly clicked here confirm, and they sent the transaction. Now, when you see that someone is giving you an airdrop or dropping you an NFT or a token, always be suspicious, always be in a paranoid mode, and don't, because everything has a price, and these scammers are aiming your greediness by making you click on those links and send those transactions. So what you can do next time to avoid this kind of hack is always, but always be in paranoid mode, and always check here the data tab. You can see over here there is the data tab, and on the data tab on the MetaMask extension, if it's another wallet it will have another tab maybe, but you can see here what function you are calling, exactly what function you are calling. And if you have a bit more knowledge and you are educated and you are watching my videos and learning how smart contract works, how blockchain works, you know right now I'm calling a function called swap exact ETH for tokens, and you can see that I'm sending two parameters, the address and the amount. Okay, so basically you can see that I'm calling a function that calls swap tokens because that's the function that I'm trying to do over here. I'm trying to swap one token with another. Now, if you would go to this fake phishing website and you click land sale, the function name would be safe transfer form, and then you would see that it's from your wallet to the hacker's wallet and with the NFT ID, and automatically you would understand that something is off here. You are not supposed to send safe transfer form, to call safe transfer form function to send ERC-72 token to another wallet. So this is how you could actually avoid this kind of attack, but that's not all. That's not all, and wait, because we have another very important things that you need to do in order to protect yourself for future hacks of NFTs or tokens in the future. Now, this MetaMask wallet, you have to understand that this is a hot wallet. It's not a very secure wallet. It's actually not secure at all, because if someone steals your 12-word seed phrase, or if someone has a malware, a Trojan horse on the computer, or a malicious another extension, for example, he can theoretically access your memory space. And in the memory space of your computer, of your browser, somewhere the private key and the seed phrase is being stored, which means that if there is another malicious program that's running in your computer, it's theoretically, if it's advanced program, it can access those seed phrase and basically get access to your MetaMask wallet, or maybe all the accounts that are associated with this wallet, and steal all your NFTs, all your tokens. And this is super scary. And what you gonna do? How you gonna protect? The answer is simple. Hardware wallet. Hardware wallet is basically a device that looks like this one. It looks like a thumb drive, a small and nice thumb drive, as you can see over here, where you can connect to your computer. This is an entire operating system like your computer, but a tiny small one. It has all the necessary applications to run wallets, to interact with blockchain. And this is called Ledger device. It's the official Ledger device. You can purchase it from the official ledger.com website, or if you want to support me and my goal here, you can use my affiliate link in the description below. I will get a small commissions. You will pay the same price. Win-win, everyone wins. And also you can get even a discount by clicking my link below. You can get 21% discount for a Ledger of backup pack. So if you want, consider using the link in the description below. And basically using this wallet, you can connect it to your computer, and it means that the private key and all the sensitive information regarding your wallet, the seed phrase, the private key, will never touch the memory of the computer, which means that it's much safer way to store your NFTs, your tokens, and in general interact with the blockchains and with the crypto world. So if you want to learn more about ledgers, how they work, how to set them up, check out my other video tutorials. Just search for Johnny Time Ledger, Johnny Time MetaMask. The cool thing about Ledger is that you can connect it with your MetaMask, that basically the Ledger will have all the sensitive information like the private key and the seed phrase, and the MetaMask will only interact as a gateway to the blockchain. So you need to confirm twice transaction. You confirm them once in the MetaMask and on the second time in the Ledger device. So that's basically how it works. And if you want to find out more how to do it and how to secure your crypto wallets using hardware wallets, check out my tutorials by searching Ledger, Johnny Time tutorial, Ledger, MetaMask, etc.